Thanks again for joining us on another one of our adventures. Today we'll be traveling around southern Utah. Our first stop's going to be along Old Highway 91. There used to be a Castle Cliff gas station. In the back of the store they used to have this cave that visitors were allowed to go into. The old gas station's long gone by now, but the cave is still there, and it's just off the side of the road. Next we hiked around Gunlock State Park in Utah. Nice easy hike up around the Red Rocks to see some beautiful waterfalls. There are so many different waterfalls, really worth the trip out there. Be sure to check out the drone footage. Some very unique shots. We then went to Sheep Bridge Park, just outside of Virgin, Utah. There's been a bunch of rain lately, so the water was flowing pretty hard. After that, we continued south into the Hurricane Cliffs Recreation Area. This is access to where they hold the Red Bull Rampage, the downhill extreme mountain biking course. I'd always wanted to see that course in person. Been watching the videos for years and can't believe what these guys are actually jumping off of. It's really incredible to see in person. our next stop was in Grafton, Utah. It's an old town site for early Mormon settlers. We stopped by the cemetery, had some interesting tombstones. Then went to the old town site where there's still some old buildings, which you can even walk into. It was incredible to see how well maintained some of these old cabins were. Short drive from the old Grafton town site is the entrance to Smithsonian Butte Trail. It's a long uphill four-wheel drive trail that leads into some scenic Utah backcountry. Once you're up top, you can see Smithsonian Butte, but looking to the north, you get spectacular vistas of the Zion Peaks, big red rocks off into the distance. As always, we really appreciate you watching and sharing with your family and friends. Thanks Thanks again, and we hope to have you join us on a future adventure.